So I'm going to show you how this handheld cheese grater works. It was sent to me to try out. So let's take a look. Okay, it comes in 3 different parts. This is the grater. This is sort of the swivel that you're going to be using to grate the cheese. And this is the handheld. This handle right here actually lifts. So this is actually where you're going to put the cheese, and then it's going to come out on either side, whichever side you don't have the handle on. So let's go ahead and put this in. Now, yes, everything is dishwasher safe. The one thing that you have to do is when you're putting on this handle, make sure it's really put on tightly and snug so that it doesn't actually come off. I've learned that. Alright, so now that it's on, let's go ahead and put some cheese. Alright, I put the cheese in. Go ahead and close it, and there we go. So quickly, the cheese is in here. You squeeze this part down, and then you just start grinding. And the cheese comes out, and it's all grated, as you can see here. This is pretty cool, and as I said before, it is all dishwasher safe. So once you finish grate all your cheese, you can go ahead and either hand wash or put it in the dishwasher. So yes, you can get grated cheese, but if you have a block of cheese like this and you need it quickly grated and you don't want to hand grate it, this is super convenient and really easy, and you can get this done in a minute or less.